Hello, old my friend. Sometime I try to host in English with I am not good at. For my foreigner friends, I hope you understand even if it is looking with the heart like the sea. First, at all, I am Korean and my nickname is Pungun. It means wind and cloud. I will show you how to make a Sheepshank Knot. There are so many types, so I plan to make one by one in the future. Right now, there is only simple video on YouTube. I will upload a video with a little quality. I will try to help my friend with their nothing skill. Please give me a little strength. Please subscribe and comment. I wanna my friend nothing skill up. I'm going to make a Sheepshank Knot. Is a simple cross than the previous cross video. Okay, let's get it started. Rope, half fold, right rope to left, 1 over, 2 under. And on the next over, make a right wing. Next, left rope 2, right rope over 1, right to wing rope on the 2. This rope over 1. This rope on the 1. Okay. This rope pole make left wing. This rope through and last over 1 under 1. Slowly. Small cross make finish. Hallelujah. Next, then flipping over and top loop small and tie, flow tie, pull tie. Okay. Next, right to top loop on the 2, over 2, through, and left loop on the 2, over 2, through. Sheepshank knot done. Right side, left side. Over. I wanna my friend not skill step by step upload. Today work time very happy. My friend have a good week. Next time see you again.